In this video we will discuss automatic control module, the useful links, the page to download the module, the documentation, and the downloaded module itself. Extract the archive, and copy the files. Navigate to the library of the module and open its properties. We need to unblock it. After that, open Administrator and open the project we created earlier. This project can send emails. Open the modules page and activate the module. Upload the configuration before registering the module to be able to access the computer code. Open Properties and the registration page. Copy the computer code and we will get the trial key. Some extra task. The most difficult task. The key has been sent. This is it. Copy the key and paste it here. Save and close. Let's open the web interface to check the available input channels. The password is 12345. We will use the channel number 105 because we can set it manually by a command. Open the properties. Automatic control module reacts on different triggers. I just created a trigger that fires on channel data. Input channels 105. Value we will act if the channel value is higher than 10. We need to create a command to send an email. Our device for sending email has a number 2. We will send emails on firing and on normalization. As you remember, name of the contact is demo, subject, and message. The module supports using variables that are listed in the documentation. We will use channel name and channel value. Save, close, upload the configuration and check the module log. trigger is in waiting state. Set an initial value of the input channel, for example 5. It is below our specified trigger value. And then send a value that is greater. Let's check the trigger log. Command is sent. Check the email sender log. Email has been sent. Let's check our emails. We got it. Channel name and its value. Thanks for watching.